बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। हटना नहीं है, समझना है। My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islam School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, factorization, exercise 4.1, question number 2, Sindh board, part 2. Question number 2, factorize the following. My dear 9th class students, there are different methods. First, take common. Second, middle term break. Third, formulas. And fourth, combination of these three. We are using take common. Now let's take the question. Question number 4. R square plus 9 RS minus 7 RS minus 63 S square. First of all, this pair and this pair is here. In this pair, first of all, we will see the numbers common here. There is number? No. There is number? Yes. Simple means number is not common here. R is here, R is here. R is common here. Make a bracket. 1 R is remaining plus 9 as it is and S as it is. When minus minus come, the minus sign has been come. 7 and 63. 7 is common here and S is common here. Make a bracket. R is remaining plus sign. 7 and 9 is remaining and S is remaining. Listen to me carefully. The both brackets must be same. R plus 9S, R plus 9S. We will take common. Nine S. Bracket R minus 7S. And it is your answer. The book answers are written there. You can check it. First of all, R plus 9S, R plus 9S. R minus 7S, R minus 7S. Now let's come to 5th question. My dear 9th class students, the last 2 questions are in fraction. That's why please attend to me carefully. Okay, now let's come to question number 5. Y square upon 4 minus y square z 4 minus z square t 9 plus z 3 cube t 9. Now this pair and this pair. First of all, in this pair, y square is common here. Make a bracket. 1 is remaining, minus sign, and z is remaining. Again, minus plus. Now minus will become here. Minus will become here. Sorry. Y square upon 4. Sorry, 4 is here common, 2. Minus sign, z square is common and t is common here. Make a line, 9 is common here. Make a bracket, z square is out, t is out, 1 is remaining. Minus sign, sorry, 1 is remaining. 1 z is remaining and it is done. Now see, this fraction are taking common or not? No. The whole brackets are same. Simple means we can take common that. Now which thing is remaining here? Y square 4 minus z square t 9, and it is your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. First of all, 1 minus z, 1 minus z, y square 4, y square 4, minus z square t, 9 and 9. Okay? Same. Now let's come to 6th question. 6th question is a bit difficult. Okay? That's why attend to me, please. Question number 6. 10x y 11 plus 5x z 11 minus 14y square 11 minus 7y z 11. Now, this pair and this pair. First of all, numbers 10 and 5. 5 is common and x is common. Down 11. 5 2s are 10. 2. Y is remaining. Plus sign. Plus sign. 5 and x is out. 5 is out. Which thing is remaining? Z. Make a bracket. Minus minus. Minus will become here. And 14 and z. 7. 7 is common here. Y is common here and make a bracket. 7 to the 14. 2 will become here. 1 y is remaining. Minus. Plus sign. And 7 is out. Y is out. Z is remaining. Now let's take the whole brackets are same or not. 2y plus z, 2y plus z. The whole brackets are same. First of all, let's see the out is common or not. This numerator are not same, but denominator are same. That when the denominator are same, we can take 1 upon 11. Make a bracket. 2y minus z is remaining. Make a bracket again. Now which thing is remaining? 5x minus 7y. And it is your answer. The book answers are written again. You can check it. 1 upon 11, 1 upon 11, 2y plus z, plus z, 5x minus 7y, 5x minus 7y. Okay? No subscribe, no like, only share.